Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear students. I hope you're all doing great. So today is our second asynchronous class, and I hope that all of you have already placed your English notebooks, learner's book, and workbook by your side. Make sure to keep a separate A4 size sheet with you as well. So even if you don't have these resources with you right now, pause the video, no need to worry, and just quickly grab them and place them by your side before starting this lecture, so that you might be able to easily comprehend everything by solving them during that very time. So let's officially begin our lecture. You all know that it's very important for us to have a precise and concise conversation while conveying all the messages that you want to convey to the other person in a very short form. All right. So for that purpose, you might have often used these words in your conversation, like I am, or I've, or you, or aren't. So these words might have been used by you or often in your daily life conversation. Do you know what these words are called, or what type of phenomena do they use in English? In English, we call these as contractions. We call these contractions. And we will be doing this concept today. Contractions. So, boys and girls, can you think of what the meaning of this word contraction could possibly be? When I say contraction, what could be the meaning of this word contraction? Just try to answer, give the responses by yourself while watching the video. All right, so I have underlined the word contract. It's a very common word, and we use it in our daily lives as well. When we are going to talk about something to be contracting, we say that the very thing it has actually shrank or has shortened. All right, so same is the case uh, with our contractions in English grammar as well. What happens is that to join two words, we simply join them in such a way that we eliminate certain letters. For example, if I'm talking about I am, the actual letters, the actual words were I and am. But what did I do? I when joining it, just while joining it, I erased a, removed the space, and added an apostrophe. So what did I do? I eliminated the space, I removed the a, and just combined the two letters together by using an apostrophe. So these are called as contractions in English language, where you join two words, you shorten the two words by joining them using an apostrophe. If you have watched my last lecture, last asynchronous lecture, so it would be very easier for you, because in the last class we had already discussed about the apostrophes. And what is apostrophe basically? This comma which is placed above the letters, not the bottom but the above. When you place this sign at the bottom of the letter, it is called as a comma, but when you place it above the letter, it is called as an apostrophe. So for I am, we will be using I am. For I have, we will be using I've. For you, it would be you will. For aren't, what would you say? Are not. Easy. So contraction is an English grammatical procedure where you shorten two words by joining them and eliminating a few part of this the second word through the addition of an apostrophe. So let's do a small exercise. It's a very simple procedure, and we have already used it many times in our language. While talking, while speaking, we use many contractions. For example, wouldn't, will, I'll, isn't, can't, aren't, weren't, and there are so many other contractions. What I want you to do right now is to write all the possible contractions that you can think of within the next 2 minutes. So I'll be giving you 2 minutes. What you'll be doing is writing at least five contractions that you use in your daily lives. All right. Think of all the possible contractions that you can think of and write them on the A4 size sheet, the paper that you have. Just write activity one on the top, online classwork, write activity one on the top, activity one on the top, and start writing them. I'll be giving you, I'll be giving you 2 minutes. Just give the heading of activity one and start writing. You have 2 minutes. All right, time's up. I hope that you have written all the possible contractions that you could think of on that A4 size sheet. Now let's move on to the second activity. Activity two is that I'll be inserting a picture over here, and you will be miss. There's a picture that you guys can see on your screens. Just make at least 6 to 8 sentences while using contractions. Make sure to keep in mind that contractions are the words that are a combination of two words and made by using apostrophe. And the words are made by using apostrophe. So you guys can see various pictures in this single picture. Just use those contractions and make up sentences. Your time starts now. You have 5 minutes. So the time's up. Take out your workbooks now. I hope you guys have completed this activity as well. Take out your workbooks now. Page number 121. 5.12, 121. Alright, on page number 121, we have a practice exercise for contractions. Question number 2, complete the tables to show the words in full and the shortened forms with an apostrophe. So words in full have been given over here, and the contracted form, the shortened form, is given over here. Like for is not, first has been solved for you. The first one has been solved for you. The first one has been solved for you. Like for is not, we have the contracted form or shortened form isn't. All right. So what could be the possible full form of can't? Yes, you have to do it on your own. It would be can not. Similarly, you have to attempt all the others as well. The words in shortened form will be written over here, and the words in full over here for these as well. So it's very easy. You have to complete this exercise, and after completing this exercise within maximum of 5 to 6 minutes, what you're gonna do is there is a very simple question that you're gonna attempt. You are going to write a letter to your friend using contractions. Write a letter to your friend telling him about your new toy. Your new toy could be anything. It could be a car, it could be anything that you guys have purchased recently. Make sure the challenge for you guys is to make sure you use at least 3 to 5 contractions in the letter. So that's all for today, and I hope that you guys enjoyed the lecture for today. I'll be seeing you inshallah soon in our next class. Stay happy. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and take care. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.